Hey you little perverts, welcome back to Berry Jazz, and today I'm going to be showing you how to bust a nut. So, first things first, you need a nut. Second things, I just made orange juice, so fuck yeah, I'm getting some juice inside of me. And how do you get a nut? Real easy, you just find one. You can even use these retarded ones which are pretty like weird, like yeah, you don't hate them but you feel uncomfortable around them. But anyway, the first things you need to do with this nut to bust it, it's of course you need some lube. And here we have some lube. Real easy. But how do you do this, Barry? How do I lubricate this nut so I can bust it? That's the tricky part of this. So then for that you have to summon Satan, and I brought here my Satan summoner starter pack thing, which by the way you have to light up in each corner of the star so it becomes light as fuck, okay? So what you want to do is put the nut in the middle of the pentagram. That way Mr. Satan can notice you, cause he's damn hot, senpai. Then you put the loop, and you don't spray the loop on top of the nut, cause, well, you can do it, so, but it becomes less painful. But I mean, anyway, you shut the fuck up. I'm talking here. So what you guys want to gonna do is open this thing up. Yes, oh fuck, fucking who the hell put? Holy shit! I hate private property. So you get this thing here. You put in there with the lube inside, and now we're gonna go to my computer super editing room so I can show you the next step. So now you have to choose your favorite satanic song. Here I have Toto by Africa. Let's go back to the busting thing. Fuck! Fucking piece of crap. Ah, shit. So here we are guys, back to the fucking busting nothing. So you close this shit up, you start this thing, and you take a sip of orange juice, and here we have some nuts busted. Yeah, subscribe for more, take my Patreon link, and bless you. Cause there's only one God, well, a couple of them actually. It's kind of a weird thing, but you get the point. See ya!